Hi, it's Matthew Cobb with the Cobb Home Team here in Denver, Colorado. Today I want to talk to you about something that's affecting many homeowners: rising HOA fees. Over the past few years, many homeowners have seen their HOA fees increase significantly. But what's behind these rate hikes? One of the primary reasons is the surge in insurance costs for homeowners associations or HOAs. To help explain this, I've invited an insurance expert, Christiana to share some insights.
Thanks, Matthew. Natural disasters such as wildfires and hailstorms have become more frequent and severe, which has led to higher claims and consequently higher premiums. Additionally, the overall increase in property values means that the cost to insure these properties has also gone up. These natural events have a direct impact on insurance rates. For instance, Colorado has seen a rise in severe weather events, which translates to more claims and higher risks for insurance companies. As they adjust these risks, premiums rise. HOAs are feeling the pinch. They're responsible for maintaining community standards and covering shared expenses. And with insurance premiums climbing, they have no choice but to pass these insurance costs to their homeowners through higher fees.
I've seen with clients and myself with some properties that I own, HOA fees almost doubling in the last 3 years. It's becoming really difficult to manage the budgets for these HOAs with unexpected increases in insurance and construction costs.
It's not just natural disasters. The rising costs of repairs and materials also play a significant role. Construction costs have soared, meaning that these repairs or rebuilds are far more expensive than they used to be. This all feeds back into higher insurance premiums.
This financial strain is prompting many condo and townhome owners to considering selling their properties.
The result? A noticeable uptick in for sale signs around the cities as owners seek more affordable living conditions. The rising costs of living, including HOA fees, are reshaping the housing market. Some owners are selling because they can no longer afford the increased costs, while others are looking to capitalize on their current property values.
For families, the decision to move is often difficult but necessary. The increased HOA fees, coupled with higher insurance costs, are making it challenging for these people to stay in their homes.
HOAs are also exploring ways to mitigate these increases. Some are shopping for better insurance deals and increasing deductibles or cutting non-essential services. However, it's a tough balance to strike.
Despite the financial challenges, the sense of community remains strong. Residents and HOAs are working together to navigate these changes. As Denver continues to grow and evolve, stay informed and engaged is crucial. Homeowners must understand the factors driving these increases and work with their HOAs to find sustainable solutions. If you're thinking about selling to mitigate your high HOA fees, get in touch with us at the Cobb Home Team or Christiana at Motto Mortgage. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you.